So you're in Manila and you're asking yourself, where are the white sand beaches that the Philippines is famous for? And where are all the beach babes?
Most of the good close beaches are 3 to 4 hours drive from Manila. In Batangas!
So assuming that you don't want to swim in Manila Bay, here's a list of beaches that are not that far away.
The closest beach paradise to Manila is Nasugbu. It will take you 3 hours without traffic to reach, and it has a lot of beautiful places.
Just a little further away is Lian, with its famous Matabungkay beach.
Calayo should be one of the first places that comes to mind when thinking about beaches in Batangas. Mabini is home to many resorts, diving centers, and white sand beaches. Further away is probably the most popular destination on this list in San Juan. Laiya Beach has everything you expect from a popular tourist destination.
Our next stop, Lobo, is famous for its rocky beaches, Malabrigo Lighthouse, and its mountains.
Juan is probably less known, but with beaches that are within a single drive from Manila, it's worth your research.
Calatagan, while a lengthy drive from Manila, has the longest shoreline with the most beaches for you to enjoy.
The beaches that we have shown you in the video are the ones that you can drive to relatively quickly. If you are willing to take a boat or go into another direction, you could try Puerto Galera, Masasa, Tingloy, or got the opposite direction to Zambales.
Now that we're leaving Batangas, personally I have to say that my favorite beach destination has been Camiguin Island. The vibe there is very chill and it's less crowded with tourists at the moment.
Subscribe. You subscribe. Because I need subscriber.
What's the next video about?
You found out when you go to my channel.